Primary. Magbabasketball kami kasi wala nang exercise.
Okay.
Ha? Ito ang Manuka Primary School. It is just ilang steps?
Ewan.
One canto. One block away kina Ate Angie. Okay, let's go. Talaga nagtutour na. Parang sa akin yung Manuka. Wow,
Ayun o. Ay, hindi. Ayun o. May mga
Chasing down this cat, no plan in hand. Just your pulse, small racing guide in the dark. Just knowing with conviction from the start. But come on, and your eyes made an introduction. I felt my second darling, bruised with light. Flawless to
Playground.
the being godly, yet I fell all for your imperfections. And now we're slightly, whether we're slightly wrong. Our hands grip together, eye to eye through the storm. Yeah, I'm still here whenever I was.
Eh, bakit naman kubit? Naman kubit? Layo nyo ah. Ay, mali ang tawag doon.
With you, cause life is with you by my side, and there ain't no going in this river we can't rise.
Yan, recording. Okay. So, ito yung whole school dito. Yan. Hapon, it's about... Anong oras na? Anong oras na? Anong oras na? 5? About 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Ayan. Wala ng tao. Ayan.
Yeah, sabi sa'yo eh.
O, ayan. Ayan si Marian. Say hello. Hi.
Dito naman.
Yung naka-red, si Mirai. Yung naka-blue, si Mara. Okay. Doon sila nag-aaral. Doon. Sa Glenfield. Hindi dito. Hindi dito. Ayan. Okay.
Hi! So, ito na ang kanto. Yan. Ito ang nilalakad namin going to work ni Ate Jane. Straight there. Yan. Ito yung papunta sa bahay. Ay, hindi na natin makikita yung harap ng bahay niyo. Pagod kaming mag-basketball. Isa pa, cellphone. Ayan. Nakapagod. Kasunod dito tayo. Tapos ito, papunta sa pintuan.
Oh, may susi ba ko kayo?
Ay, wala ako susi.